Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, we will talk about who is James Gosling. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. Who is James Gosling? James Gosling, distinguished engineer at Amazon, developed what is known as the Java programming language during his 26-year career at Sun Microsystems with colleagues Mike Sheridan and Patrick Naughton. So basically guys, no, so James Gosling is considered as the father of the Java programming language that is very popular programming language used in teaching computer programming in colleges, high school, universities, but also it is used in many fields, no, in web application, banking, finance, mobile applications, Android. So they contribute a lot, no, in the field of information technology. So thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you're new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.